Are you looking for an easy way to learn how to play the piano? Perhaps you're wondering how to start playing piano again after a few years. Did you know that you can learn to play the piano online? Yup, you can learn how to play the piano easily even if you're just a beginner. If you want to learn how to play the piano for beginners, you are in the right place. Soon enough, you will learn important lessons such as how to read sheet music, and as you advance, you also get to learn how to start playing piano with two hands. There is an easy way to learn how to play the piano. The information is linked in the description box, so make sure to check it out. You get to learn at your own pace with easy piano tutorials for beginners and from the comforts of your own home. If you want to know how to play the piano, you could start your affordable piano lessons today. Best of all, you can access these piano lessons for less than $50. Affordable piano lessons are just a few clicks away. If you're interested, the link is in the description box below.